Can you hear that? The house is strangely quiet. No playful laughter echoes. Tim senses a boring stillness. Tim looks around his room. His favorite comedy show is dull. His heart feels a small sadness. He wonders what happened. Boss Baby checks his files. There are no reports of laughter. A silent crisis. He states, he feels puzzled. Boss Baby holds his pacifier. A tiny message appears. It shows a shadowy, grumpy face. Case file open. He whispers. Boss Baby points to the face. A rogue agent stole joy. He explains, we must find the culprit. Tim imagines a grumpy clown. It takes laughter away in a net. Boss Baby rolls his eyes. Be practical, Tim. He sighs. Boss Baby shows a blueprint. It leads to the basement. Tim smiles. A secret headquarters, he whispers bravely. The blueprint points to Tim's old toy box. He opens it. A hidden button clicks. Inside is a small, dusty bell. The bell guides them. It leads to the creaky basement. Shadows dance silently. The air feels cold and eerie. Tim steps inside. A loose floorboard groans. He jumps slightly. Boss Baby shakes his head. Boss Baby spots tiny, glittery footprints. They lead deeper. Evidence, he states. He feels focused. A small fairy appears. It shivers nervously. It points to a large cabinet. Tim feels intrigued. The cabinet leads to a dark tunnel. Cold air blows. Damp earth covers walls. Tim feels a little uneasy. Inside, old furniture lines the walls. They find an empty stage. Laughter is truly missing. Boss Baby sees faint scratch marks. They show a funny nose. A prankster agent, he exclaims. He feels determined. Boss Baby uses a small tracker. It blinks quickly. They follow it. To the attic, he commands bravely. High in the attic, Tim feels uneasy. He squeezes tight. Boss Baby reassures him. We're almost there. Boss Baby looks around. The vast dusty space. He sighs. Yet he remains steady. Focused on their serious quest. They find a large trunk. Cool air blows. Inside, a giant grumpy clown sleeps soundly. Tim feels cautious. The clown breathes slowly. Its nose is red. Tim sees a glimmer. The laughter is clutched in its hand. Tim carefully reaches. He gently pulls the laughter net. The clown stirs. His heart races. The giant grumpy clown slowly opens one eye. It yawns. It looks at Tim. It freezes. Tim holds up the laughter. Please, kind clown. He whispers, the house needs its joy. The clown blinks. The clown sighs. It nods its head. It understands. It allows Tim to keep the laughter. They emerge quickly. The laughter is safe. The air feels lighter. They feel relieved. They put the laughter back. A brilliant burst of joy appears. Laughter echoes across the house. Mom and Dad smile. Mom and Dad smile. They hug Tim. They're so proud. Their family is happy again. The family celebrates. A festival of jokes begins. Everyone laughs happily. Joy fills their home. Tim and Boss Baby smile. They share stories. Their brotherly bond shines brightly. They are happy. What makes you laugh? Laughter fills your world. Be brave and practical. Find your own happiness. Adventure awaits.